Now we'll be continuing with the series we have been on questions that will come out from the internet. I've always told you that it is wrong to enter into the examination hall and become surprised. So what I've been trying to do for you in this series in our channel is to prepare you. Remember, in our channel we are ensuring that everybody in our channel, Noble Tutorials, we make at least 300 plus in your JAMB. You will score at least 300. So that's why we have been looking at questions that will come out from LEKKI targets. These are the questions that JAMB itself will choose from. So we will continue. This is part 3. We have done part 1 where we answered question number 1 to number 40. We have done part 2 where we did question number 40 to question number 80. Here we are starting in this part 3. We'll be starting from question 81 to probably question 120. If you have not watched the other series, please watch them. And I also want you to do your best to watch this video from beginning to the end, because at the end of this video I will give you free past questions. If you want me to give you free past questions, I will give it to you free. If you want me to give you free syllables in the 4 subjects we'll be writing, it will be given to you free of charge. If you also want to get the book LEKKI Target sent to you, you also let me know, right? So let's just dive in. We are on our journey to ensuring that you watching this video scores at least 300 plus in your JAMB. Number 1, how did the students and staff react to Beppo's return? Of course, if you have watched part 1 and 2, you know we have been talking about Dewelo Beppo, the principal of Stardom Schools in a place called Lekki in Lagos. So how did they react? How did the students and staff react to Beppo's return? A, with sadness. B, with indifference. C, with overwhelming joy and celebration. D, with mixed feelings. The answer is B. Okay, the answer is C. I mean to say with overwhelming joy and celebration. Remember, we have been reviewing the book chapter by chapter. If you have followed the book, if you have followed our review of the book LEKKI Headmaster, then you will know that they welcome him with amazing joy and celebration. Number 2, what song did the students sing at the end of the novel? A, we shall overcome. B, we are stars of stardom. C, the principal's anthem. D, victory is ours. The answer is they sang we are stars of stardom. If you consider the last chapter of the book, you will see this book. That's chapter 12. Number 83. What does the ending of the novel signify about Beppo's character? What does the ending of the novel signify about Principal Beppo's character? A, his indecisiveness. B, his commitment to his mission. C, his desire for attention. D, his fear of change. The answer is B, his commitment to his mission. He's always committed. He's always dedicated. Okay, 84. What does the MD's speech about Beppo emphasize? What does the MD's speech about Beppo emphasize? A, his contribution to the growth of Stardom Schools. B, his ability to inspire students and staff. C, his passion for education and culture. D, all of the above. The answer actually is all of the above. You know, the MD, managing director of Stardom School, is Ibidon Gloss. So she emphasized that the contribution of Mr. Beppo, how he was motivating the student, and his passion for education and culture. 85. Why did the farewell ceremony include cultural performances? Why were there cultural performances in Mr. Beppo's farewell ceremony? Remember, they were giving him farewell because he was relocating abroad to stay with his family. His wife and 2 kids are in the UK. Okay, why did the farewell ceremony include cultural performance? Okay, A, to highlight Beppo's love for culture. B, to honor his contribution to Stardom Schools. C, to entertain the students and staff. D, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. They did all those dances, both canoe dance and all those dances, to do two things: to highlight his love for culture. Remember, the principal love culture. That was why he was taking them on excursion to museums, right? To honor his contribution to also to Stardom School. Lessons from Beppo's leadership. What leadership quality did Beppo most exemplify throughout the novel? A. Strictness and discipline. B. Compassion and dedication. C. Innovation and risk-taking. D. Assertiveness and dominance. The answer is B. Compassion and dedication. Remember that in our channel we have been reviewing this book, LEKKI Headmaster. Even if you have not read the book, even if you have not gotten the book, if you watch we have been doing chapter by chapter review. We have been reading it for you. We have done it chapter 1, chapter 2, this book has up to 12 chapters. So we have been reviewing it from chapter 1 to the end. So go over to our channel and begin to watch, starting with chapter 1 to chapter 2. Also remember to watch the other questions we have answered, or possible question. This is just the one you are watching now is part 3. So go ahead, and if you can't see it, ask me to send you the link to part 1 and 2. How did Beppo's leadership influence Stardom Schools? How did his leadership influence Stardom Schools? A. It transformed the school into a cultural and educational beacon. It led to stricter rules and regulations. It introduced a focus on sports over academics. It caused internal conflict among staff. The answer is A. It transformed the school into a cultural and educational beacon. Okay, 88. What was one of Beppo's notable contributions to the school? A. Organizing excursions to historical sites. B. Establishing a mentorship program. C. Hosting international exchange programs. D. Introducing modern technology in classroom. Remember what I said earlier. He was always taking them to historical sites, historical excursions. So the answer is what? A. These are the things you should never forget. These are the things. JAMB will not go to heaven and pick questions. So it is these things I am giving you. This expo I am giving you. That is what JAMB will ask. So pay attention to them and pay attention to the other videos we have done. In our channel, you must score at least 300 plus. In this coming JAMB, everybody listening to me, following this channel, must score at least 300 plus. Do you claim it? Do you claim it? If you claim it, come under the comment section and type I claim it. Okay. What role did Mrs. Ibidon-Gloss play in Beppo's career? A. She served as a mentor. B. She was an appreciative and supportive colleague. C. She critiqued his decisions. D. She helped him secure funding for projects. What role did Mrs. Ibidon-Gloss play in Beppo's career? Number one thing you should ask yourself, who is Ibidon-Gloss? She is the managing director of the school where Mr. Beppo was the principal, right? So the answer is actually B. She was an appreciative and supportive colleague. Remember when Beppo wanted to travel, how supportive she was. Even the money that was given to him, the cultural performances they sent forth. So the MD was very, very supportive, right? So in JAMB, whenever you are given a question, both in this novel, in other part of use of English and other subjects, the first thing is try to understand the question. Understanding the question is key. Okay, 91. What was the main purpose of the excursions organized by Beppo? You should know the answer by now. A. To promote leisure and relaxation. B. To teach students about Nigeria's culture and history. C. To showcase the wealth of Stardom Schools. D. To reward well-behaved students. I won't answer it. I want you to answer. Attempt it. So come to the comment and type number 91 and tell me the answer, whether it is A or B or C or D. If you have followed this novel, if you have followed my explanation in the chapter by chapter review, it should not come as a surprise to you. 92. Which historical site in Badagry was emphasized through the students' excursion? Which historical site in Badagry was emphasized during the students' excursion? A. The first story building. B. The slave route and point of no return. C. The Black Heritage Museum. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. They actually experienced the first story building. They actually went to the slave trade route and point of no return. They also went to the Black History Heritage, because Beppo was always keen on exposing the student to culture and Nigerian heritage. That's what the principal was always interested in. Okay, number 93. Why did Beppo feel deeply connected to the canoe dance performed during his farewell? A. It reminded him of the cultural richness of Nigeria. B. It symbolized the historical sufferings of slaves. C. It reflects his personal journey and legacy. D. All of the above. The answer is actually all of the above, right? Okay, remember at the end of this novel, if you this particular video you are watching, if you watch till the end, remind me, I will tell you how you can get free past questions. You need to read and study with your past questions in the 4 subjects you've been studying. So at the end of this video, I'll give it to you. At the end of this video, I will also tell you how to get your syllabus on the 4 subjects free of charge. At the end of this video, I will also share with you how you can get this novel, Lekki Headmaster, if you have not gotten it. That one is not free. But all of these things will be shared to you at the end of this video. So keep watching till the end. What was significant about the students' visit to Ikigoso Warm Spring? What was significant about the students' visit? You need to read this novel to experience all these things. That's why you need to watch the series we did, chapter by chapter. If you need me to send you the link of chapter 1 or any of the chapters, you just let me know. Even if you have read the book, you cannot help but watch how we reviewed it and explained it for you, chapter by chapter. Okay. What was significant about the student visit to Ikogosi Warm Springs? A. It was their first excursion out of Lagos. Remember, the school is in Lagos. B. It taught them about natural wonders and Nigeria tourism potential. C. It emphasized the benefit of teamwork. D. It was a reward for the top performing students. The answer is actually B. It taught them about natural wonders and Nigeria's tourism potential. Nigeria, we have a lot of tourist sites like Obunike Cave or Home Waterfall and all the rest. Okay, people like taking them to such places. Beppo is their principal. 95. What did Beppo often remind students about their heritage? A. Never forget your roots and history. B. Education begins with culture. C. Culture is the bedrock of success. D. Your identity defines your culture. The answer is A. Never forget your roots and history. Never forget where you came from. Okay? 96. How long did Beppo serve as the principal of Stardom Schools? A. 10 years. B. Should I leave you to answer this one? Should I leave you to answer this one? A. 10 years. B. 15 years. C. 24 years. D. 30 years. The answer is C. 24 years. Okay? Okay. What was one of the most memorable lessons Beppo left for his students and staff? What was one of the most memorable lessons Beppo left for his students and staff? A. Education is the greatest weapon. B. We must build a better Nigeria together. C. Dedication and integrity are key to success. D. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. The answer is C. Dedication and integrity are key to success. The guy was too dedicated to his duty as the principal of Stardom School in a place called Lekki in Lagos. Are you following? Are you following? Okay. Why did Beppo ultimately decide to return to Stardom after planning to leave? A. He couldn't bear to leave the students. B. He had unfinished business at the school. C. He felt more connected to Stardom than any other place. D. All of the above. The answer is what? D. All of the above. Are you following? I want you to watch this video slowly. Don't rush. One other thing that will help is for you to watch the chapter by chapter survey. Review, reading we did on these chapters. I reviewed each chapter and explained it to you. So go over to our channel, go to playlists. You will see the playlist on Lekki Headmaster. Just click on it and you see all the videos we have done on the novel, including reviewing the chapters, including how to download the book, including all the past questions, all the possible questions we answered for you. Okay. 99. What did the students chant when Beppo returned to stardom? A. Welcome back, Principal. B. We are stars, we are always winning. C. No one can replace Beppo. D. The heart of stardom is C. The answer is A. Welcome back, Principal. How did Beppo feel during his farewell ceremony? How did he feel during his farewell ceremony? A. Excited and ready to leave. B. Overwhelmed with emotion and gratitude. C. Nervous about the future. D. Conflicted about his decision. The answer actually is B. He was overwhelmed with emotion and gratitude. Remember, the students did a lot of performances. The school gave him money. There was all manner of displays in his honor. So the man was overwhelmed with joy, overwhelmed with emotions. If you want to get past questions free, what you need to do is, number one, say thanks. You can see a way to say thanks. Then like this video, share this video. Just like, share, say thanks. Then most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, I will then come under the comment of this video and type, I have subscribed. I have done what? Subscribed. So say thanks. Then you see a button for thanks. It's not what you type. You just see a button for thanks. Then come under this video when you subscribe and type, I have subscribed. When you say I have subscribed, that is subscribe, share this video, like this video. Then come under this video and say I have subscribed. When you say I have subscribed, I will chat you up. And when I chat you up, I will share I will chat you up and know how to share those materials. Remember, they are free of charge. The past question is free. 4 of them for your 4 JAMB subjects. The syllabus are free. I will give it to some people are not giving it free, but I will give it free to you, to every member of this channel, especially those that say thank you. Then I will also share with you how to get Lekki Headmaster, although that one is not free. We'll stop in this part at question 100. In the next video, which will be part 4, we will continue from 101 until we reach the end. We will keep reviewing questions that JAMB we ask. So there's a video I'm pinning on this screen. Just click on it and continue watching.